students, welcome to the 7th part of the chapter Transport in Plants. This part is the last part under plant-water relations. This is based on plasmolysis and imbibition. So just try to learn what these terminologies are. Transport in plants, we are discussing about the plant-water relations, and now here is plasmolysis and imbibition. So what's plasmolysis? Plasmolysis, the behavior of the plant cell or tissues with regard to water movement depends on the surrounding solution. So how a plant cell behaves with regard to the water movement, it depends on the surrounding solution. Like this, we are having three types of solutions. One is hypotonics, one is isotonic, and one is hypertonic. So what is a hypotonic solution? Where the concentration of the solute is low. It's isotonic, where the concentration of the solute is equal, and hypertonic, where the concentration of the solute is higher. Okay. Now, sometimes students get confused about the terms hypo and hyper. So here is a very easy trick to remember. Just pronounce low. Low is rhyming with hypo. So just remember, low means hypo. So hypotonic solution means low solute. Higher, it's rhyming with hyper. So if you are having a term hypertonic solution, it means the solute concentration is higher. So it's an easy way to remember these terms. Isotonics, that you know, iso means same. Plasmolysis, you can see in this diagram, I have shown you animal cell as well as plant cell. So in animal cell, if isotonic solution is there, the cell will be normal, but in case of the plant cell, it will be called a flaccid cell. In hypotonic solution, animal cell will be called lysed, the plant cell will be called turgid. In hypertonic solution, it will be called shriveled, and it will be called shriveled or plasmolysed cell. Significance of plasmolysis: a living cell is distinguished from the non-living cell through plasmolysis, because in dead cells, plasmolysis will not take place. The osmotic pressure of any cell can be measured by incipient plasmolysis. So plasmolysis is important. High amount of chemical fertilizers near the root causes death or browning of the plant due to the process plasmolysis. Imbibition. The second terminology is imbibition. Imbibition is a specific type of diffusion where water is absorbed by solids, colloids, causing them to enormously increase in volume. So volume will increase, that the water will imbibe and the volume will start to increase. The classic example is seed and dry wood. Here in this video, you can see how P is showing imbibition, the process of imbibition. Water is coming over here, drop by drop. The water is coming, that absorbing, seed is absorbing the water and starting to imbibe, the imbibition process. Very simple and easy to understand. Look. Now comes the significance of imbibition. First is absorption of water during the seed germination is only initiated through imbibition. In seed, the water will be absorbed only by the process of imbibition. Breaking of seed coat during seed germination is also due to the process of imbibition. Initial process of water absorption in roots by root hair is also by the process of imbibition. Hey students, this is all about plasmolysis and imbibition. We have learned what is plasmolysis. We also gone through the three types of solution: the hypotonic solution, the isotonic solution and the hypertonic solution. We also understood the significance of plasmolysis in plants. Then we switched on to the imbibition. Under imbibition, we learned what is imbibition, and then we also tried to understand this process with the help of a video. And at the end, we discussed about the significance of imbibition. So it's all about plasmolysis and imbibition. Now moving on to the next part of this lecture, switch on to the video.